In this video, we will talk about how to fix Microsoft Store not working Windows 11. Method 1. Reset Microsoft Store cache. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Run. Type wsreset.exe and click on OK. Wait for a few seconds until the store opens automatically. Method 2. Re-register Microsoft Store. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Terminal as admin. Click on Yes. Copy-paste the command I have mentioned in the description and press Enter. Wait for a while until it completes. Then click on Windows icon and restart your PC. Method 3. Reinstall Microsoft Store. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Terminal as admin. Click on Yes. Copy-paste the command I have mentioned in the description to remove Microsoft Store and press Enter. Once it's removed, paste the following command to reinstall it and press Enter. So that's how you can fix Microsoft Store not working Windows 11. See you in the next video.